Run. Run. I run every morning to stay fit. I run every morning to stay fit. Eat. Eat. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. She eats breakfast at 8 a.m. Write. Write. She writes novels in her free time. She writes novels in her free time. Learn. Learn. I'm learning French online. I'm learning French online. Teach. Teach. She teaches English at a local school. She teaches English at a local school. Create. Create. The artist creates beautiful paintings. The artist creates beautiful paintings. Read. Read. I read books before bed. I read books before bed. Sing. Sing. She sings in the school choir. She sings in the school choir. Dance. Dance. He dances salsa on weekends. He dances salsa on weekends. Play. Play. The kids play football in the park. The kids play football in the park. Work. Work. I work as a software engineer. I work as a software engineer. Travel. Travel. They travel the world together. They travel the world together. Drive. Drive. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. Cook. Cook. She cooks dinner for her family. She cooks dinner for her family. Paint. Paint. The artist paints landscapes. The artist paints landscapes. Think. Think. I'm thinking about my future. I'm thinking about my future. Help. Help. She helps her friends with homework. She helps her friends with homework. Listen. Listen. I listen to music while jogging. I listen to music while jogging. Speak. Speak. He speaks fluent Spanish. He speaks fluent Spanish. Meet. Meet. We meet for coffee every Friday. We meet for coffee every Friday. Buy. Buy. I buy groceries online. I buy groceries online. Sell. Sell. She sells handmade crafts online. She sells handmade crafts online. Explore. Explore. They explore new cities on vacation. They explore new cities on vacation. Negotiate. Negotiate. The union negotiated a new contract. The union negotiated a new contract. Celebrate. Celebrate. We celebrated our anniversary with a romantic dinner. We celebrated our anniversary with a romantic dinner. Discover. Discover. Scientists discovered a new species. Scientists discovered a new species. Imagine. Imagine. Can you imagine living on moon? Can you imagine living on moon?
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.